Elsa and Princess Anna are sisters. Elsa has a secret. She has magic powers. She can create ice. Elsa, Elsa makes a mistake. Her magic hits Anna. Anna is very cold. Their parents worry. Anna gets warm again. She wants to be friends with her big sister. To keep Anna safe, Elsa stays away. It makes Elsa sad. Anna and Elsa grow up. Anna meets Prince Hans. They fall in love. Elsa becomes queen. The kingdom cheers. Anna wants to marry Hans. Elsa says no. Anna and Elsa argue. Pulls off Elsa's glove. Elsa is afraid. She may hurt someone. Anna will not listen. Elsa grows angry. She blasts Anna with a bolt of ice. Magic ice shoots from Elsa's hands. Elsa runs far away. She does not want her magic to hurt anyone. Elsa covers the land with snow. She makes an ice palace. The kingdom needs Elsa to stop storm. The storm. Their parents is so much snow. Anna must find Elsa. Anna meets Kristoff and his reindeer's bed. They help her search for Elsa. They meet Olaf. He is a nice snowman. He leads them to Elsa. The kingdom worry about Anna. Hans will find her. Anna finally finds Elsa. She tells Elsa to come home. Elsa makes a giant snowman. He chases Anna and her friend out of the palace. Elsa blasts Anna, turning Anna to ice, and old True helps Anna. He says an act of true love can save her. Hans finds Elsa. His guards bring her home. Hans will not kiss Anna. He does not love her. He just wants to rule the kingdom. Anna is almost frozen. Kristoff loves Anna. His kiss might save her, but Elsa needs Anna's help. Hans turning to tries to hurt Elsa. Anna blocks his sword. When she frees solid, Elsa is safe. She cries. She hugs Anna. Anna starts to melt. Her act of true love has saved their lives. The sisters are best friends at last.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Chloe. Thank you very much. Next in line is Francesca Eunice.
Very good. Mainit. Tatay, para tayo. Sabi mo kay tatay. Kaway siya. Kaway.